This is my son Jeet. He was 8 years old when uh, one day during his summer holidays he came back from the playground and went off to sleep. But he was actually unconscious. He was diagnosed with a brain tumor. It was a rare kind of a tumor called ependymoma, and it was totally removed. And we were said that it will never come back.
Okay.
But exactly after 1 year it came back and we had to go for a second surgery. Again it was removed completely, but this time we were suggested radiation therapy. It came back after 3 years in 2013. Again with no option we had to go for a surgery, but it came back exactly after 1 year once again. In 2014 we again had to go for a surgery. This was the fourth surgery. And after that we did radiation therapy, we did chemotherapy, but things were not so easy. Then we got to know about the ketogenic diet. We came to Dr. Nathan and he put him on the ketogenic diet. He had completely lost his balance after the fourth surgery, and he had a lot of vision issues. And he was actually very weak. He lost his hair completely, and for the first time when we did radiations, he was radiated only on the local area where his tumor was, and he never got his hair back in that area. And the second time, the second radiation therapy, he was radiated in the entire brain and the spine. So we were told the hair will never come back on the entire scalp, just the way it didn't come back here. But on the ketogenic diet, since we started, it has really come back. For more than a year. We started last January 2015.
My favorite is Malpua.
Malpua, okay.
And hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate with
butter.
With butter, wow. Then
fruit milkshake.
Fruit milkshake.
Then I also like potato cheese ball.
Potato cheese balls.
And
you ate one recipe which we made, dosa with sambar. How was that?
That was amazing. Before starting the diet,
Yes.
I was very confused. The diet would be hard. I could have problem, but no.
On ketogenic diet, you are safe.
So the ketogenic diet is easy?
It makes you feel safe.
Yes.
So no one talked to you about this other option of diet? No. Okay.
He always wishes he could get it before.
If you had begun this diet in the first instance?
Yes.
Okay.
We really didn't want to go for the surgery, but we had to go through it. We had to. It was very depressing. The surgeons have just one sentence, that you have to go for a surgery. No other option. We really didn't know that we could have had an option. The first thing is his hair came back. That is a physical aspect.
Great.
But okay, all the aspects are physical, but still, after his fourth surgery and second radiations, he was like his energy levels were very low. He would get tired very fast. Now he does not get fatigued so easily, and his balance is improving, and his skin is glowing.
All right.
Because I have seen other patients with tumors and cancers. I've seen them turning black. I've seen them having skin problems and a lot of other problems. And having no other issues is another big achievement.
No side effects of it.
No side effects of the other treatments that he has been taking. The other treatments have the side effects,
Yeah.
but the diet is helping him have not
To have no side effects.
to have no side effects. I suggest them to go in for the ketogenic diet rather than first rushing for other therapies, because chemotherapies are really harsh. We have been through it and it didn't work for us. It gave him side effects like he lost his hearing. He has continuous ringing of bells in his ears, in both the ears, and his balance has gone worse on chemotherapy. And he lost his hair completely on radiation therapy, which was actually irreversible. If we can show him this patch, the hair where he has never got back.
Okay, but it has now come back.
Uh,
Partly.
no, this patch is still scanty.
Scanty, but
Because the first radiations that he had taken, we were not
Okay.
on the diet.
Okay.
And this time when he took radiations,
He was on the diet. at that
we
time.
started the diet after that.
Okay.
Before starting the diet, I was not able to play. I was not able to read
Read it.
any book.
Why? Because you couldn't see properly?
No,
Okay.
I couldn't.
Why? Because everything would become a double vision.
Double.
Double vision.
Hmm.
Okay.
Now I'm able to do sports like riding bike
Oh wow.
and even water sports.
Water sports. What all water sports?
Jet ski, riding a jet ski.
Jet ski. That is
Yes.
tough.
He could balance on that.
Very good man.
Now I can even
Read books.
read books. Um,
And he can do his own personal work,
Okay. Which he could not do it.
which he could not do.
Like bathing and putting on his clothes himself
And walking around the house. Now he can hold on the walls and go around the house. His own basic activities he does.
all of his activities.
All.
Great.
It should be around 5,000 a month.
5,000 a month.
Yeah.
And earlier on chemotherapy, how much was the cost?
It would be around 40,000 a cycle. 40,000, 50,000 a cycle.
Okay. And the radiation?
The radiation therapy I think costed us around 70,000-80,000.
Okay. And every operation was
The surgeries costed us somewhere around 2.5 lakhs per surgery.
each of them. So
Yes,
that's
each of
almost 10 lakhs for the first surgery.
Yes.
Okay. So, Jeet, you are happy?
definitely.
Okay. Supposing I tell you you will have to be on diet for another 5-10 years. What is your reaction?
If I don't have any problem,
Yes.
I would be very happy.
As long as he stays healthy, we are fine. Because with the diet we are actually sorted. We don't have to think twice. What should we feed him? What should we take care of? Or what should we do with him? It's like we are sorted.
Our house is on the 3rd floor and we don't have lift in our building. Before starting the diet, I was not able to walk, to climb the stairs, and now I'm able to walk, I'm able to climb the stairs
Without support.
without support. I don't need someone to help me, push me,
Or carry me.
or carry me.
Which was there earlier?
Yes. His
Okay.
father used to carry him up.